In this video, I am going to give you a quick and clear overview of Lecture E in Quality Management in Education. This lecture mainly helps us understand what quality means, how quality is managed, and why it matters in educational organizations. Let us start with the meaning of quality. Quality does not mean something expensive or luxurious. In management, quality means a product or service can meet needs, satisfy customers, and provide stable and reliable results. In other words, quality is defined by customers and stakeholders, not by price. There are also two classic definitions we need to remember. Damien says quality is consistency and reliability at low cost and suited to the market. ISO 802 says quality is the total set of characteristics that allows a product or service to satisfy stated or implied needs. Both definitions show that quality is about meeting needs in a meaningful way. Next, we need to understand several basic concepts. Stakeholders are people who have an interest in the organization or are affected by it. Customers are the people who directly receive the service or product, and they can be internal or external. In schools, this means quality should not only focus on students, but also on teachers, parents, and other related groups. Another key idea is management. Management includes planning, organizing, directing, and controlling in order to achieve organizational goals. We usually judge management by two standards, efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency is about input and output, while effectiveness is about whether the result matches the goal. This lecture also introduces two important tools. The first is the Kono model. It divides customer needs into three levels: must-have needs, performance needs, and delight needs. This model helps us understand what must be provided first, what should be improved, and what can create extra satisfaction. The second tool is the IPO model, which stands for input, process, and output. It reminds us that quality is not created only at the end. It begins with input, develops through process, and finally appears in output. In education, this means resources, teaching activities, and learning outcomes are all connected. Then we come to three approaches in managing quality: QC, QE, and TKM. QC focuses on inspection and finding problems. K focuses on preventing problems through systems and procedures. TQM goes further by emphasizing full participation, customer focus, and continuous improvement across the whole organization. Finally, the main goal of quality management is to achieve both high efficiency and high effectiveness. So the core message of this lecture is simple: quality management is not only about checking results. It is about managing the whole system of input, process, and output so that organizations can meet standards and satisfy customers and stakeholders. That is the core framework of Lecture E. I hope this short review helps you understand the topic more clearly.